Liver detox. Cleansing and rejuvenating your vital organ. Welcome Islamic Valley channel. In our previous video, we discussed the importance of protecting your liver and maintaining its optimal health. Now, it's time to take it a step further. Join us as we delve into the world of liver detoxification. In this video, we'll explore effective strategies, natural remedies, and lifestyle changes to cleanse and rejuvenate your liver, promoting overall well-being. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier and happier liver. Understanding liver detoxification. Before we dive into liver detoxification techniques, let's first understand the concept and its benefits. We'll explain how liver detoxification aids in the removal of harmful substances from the body, supporting the liver's natural detox processes. Additionally, we'll explore the liver's incredible ability to regenerate, which plays a vital role in maintaining its health. Signs that your liver needs detoxification. Recognizing when your liver may need detoxification is crucial. We'll highlight common signs and symptoms that indicate a sluggish or overloaded liver, such as fatigue, digestive issues, skin problems, and more. By listening to your body and identifying these signs, you can take proactive steps to support your liver health through detoxification. Dietary approaches for liver detox. A healthy diet is essential for liver detoxification. We'll delve into specific foods and nutrients that support the liver's cleansing processes, including cruciferous vegetables, berries, turmeric, and green tea. Moreover, we'll provide delicious and detoxifying recipes that you can easily incorporate into your daily diet. These dietary approaches will nourish your liver and promote optimal functioning. Herbal remedies for liver cleansing. Herbal remedies have long been used to support liver health and aid in its cleansing. We'll introduce various herbs known for their liver cleansing properties, such as milk thistle, dandelion root, and artichoke. We'll explain how these herbs promote liver health and share information on their recommended usage. Herbal remedies can be a natural and effective way to rejuvenate your liver. Lifestyle changes for liver support. In addition to dietary approaches and herbal remedies, certain lifestyle changes can significantly contribute to liver health. Regular exercise, stress management, and quality sleep all play vital roles. We'll explore the impact of these lifestyle factors on liver function and provide practical tips and strategies to incorporate them into your daily routine. Small changes can make a big difference in Supporting your liver. Liver detoxification myths and facts. There are many misconceptions surrounding liver detoxification. In this section, we'll address common myths and provide evidence-based information to help you separate fact from fiction by clarifying doubts and debunking myths. We aim to ensure you have accurate knowledge about liver detoxification and can make informed decisions. Seeking professional guidance. While liver detoxification can be beneficial, it's important to seek professional guidance. We'll discuss the importance of consulting with healthcare professionals or registered dietitians before undergoing any intense detox programs. Every individual has unique health needs, and personalized guidance can help you navigate the process safely and effectively. Thank you for joining us on this journey of liver detoxification. We've explored the significance of supporting your liver's health, signs that indicate a need for detoxification, dietary approaches, herbal remedies, lifestyle changes, and debunked common myths. By incorporating these strategies into your life, you can cleanse and rejuvenate your liver, promoting overall well-being. Stay tuned for more insightful content on liver health in our future videos. If you found this extended video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, a rejuvenated liver leads to a healthier you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.